I'm going to paint a sunflower porch leaner today. So to start with, I've got my yellow, orange, and red paint. I'm going to start out with my yellow. And I'm going to use my 1-inch flat brush. You can also use the round brush if you like. I'm going to start up in this corner and do one flower petal. Like that. And just kind of fill that in some with the yellow. And I'll do another flower petal this way. And this way. I think I want to round this one out just a little bit more. I'm going to do a few on the back side too here. So these will be the petals behind the ones that I just did. Because I like these petals. So now that we've got that shape done, I'm going to go in with some of my orange. And we're going to go in with our red too. And do the same thing, maybe a little less. You don't have to let the layers dry in between coats either on this one, but they do dry really quickly, especially on wood. It typically will dry faster. So now we've got our basic sunflower down. We'll go in once it's dry and finish that one up. Now we're going to place another one down here and down here. You'll follow the same steps that we just took. Make sure you wash out your brush so that there's no red or orange remaining. So I think I'm going to do one that's slightly off to the left, but going to be most of the flower here. So I'm going to make my center kind of around like this. So I'm going to use that as my starting point and just do my flower petals like before with my yellow. And I think I will go all the way over here, so it's going to be a big flower. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the last flower down here before I start in with the other colors, so I don't have to wash my brush out again. So I'm gonna do it from this corner, but I'm gonna have only a few coming up this way. If you use your brush up and down the long side like this, you can get clean lines. And if you put more pressure, you can kind of squish it. So you can get these nice organic flowers. Okay, now that I've got my base down, I'm gonna go ahead and do my oranges and reds like last time. Now we're gonna do the center of the flowers. I'm going to use some black paint and my bigger round brush, maybe size 8 to 12. And we're just gonna kind of dab around to make the center. And then we can just fill in the rest of this once we get that outline done. Now if you want to add some outlining to your flowers, you could do that now with the black. You can also do that with gold or anything else. I think I will add a little bit here and there, but I'm not going to outline completely, if that makes sense. So just kind of a little bit here and there. You could also do this with a paint marker if you wanted more precise lines. Okay, once the black is dry, we can go in with our white paint and our round brush. And we're going to do some highlights. Just a few here and there, nothing too crazy. Now we'll take our gold. I'm using this. And we'll still use our size 12, 8 to 12 round brush. What we're gonna do, oh no, we're gonna do the center of our flowers, and we're just gonna make dots again. Now that you've gotten this whole part done, you can decide what word you want to add. You can either do home or welcome. You can do your last name or a house number, really anything. Summer. And you can just print out a stencil, or you can do it by freehand. You can make the words maybe in blue or gold, or really gold and black outline, anything you want.